In the not-so-distant future, the world had changed in ways most could not have imagined. Gene hacking had become the norm, allowing humans to manipulate DNA with precision that could shape new species and alter existing ones. At the helm of this brave new world were two rival geneticists, Dr. Olivia Myers and Dr. Ethan Voss. Dr. Olivia Myers was a visionary, a firm believer that genetic modification could bring about the next step in human evolution. She had a charismatic aura, always persuading the public that her work could solve world hunger, eradicate diseases, and even extend human lifespans. Her research facility, Genesis Corp., stood as a beacon of promise in the heart of New York City. On the other side stood Dr. Ethan Voss, a reclusive yet brilliant scientist who believed that nature should take its own course. Ethan's strict ethical code led him to uncover the unintended consequences of genetic modification. Voss Industries, built in the wilderness of Alaska, conducted independent research showing that drastic DNA changes could lead to ecological imbalances and unforeseen mutations. The battle lines were drawn, not with weapons but with ideas and research papers. Public opinion was sharply divided. Some hailed Olivia as the modern-day savior, while others sided with Ethan, warning of a genetic apocalypse. One day, a new virus outbreak occurred in a remote village, decimating the population within days. Panic spread quicker than the virus itself, and people turned their eyes to the two giants of genetic science. Olivia saw this as an opportunity to prove her theories right. She claimed her team could engineer the virus out of existence by rewriting its genetic code. Ethan, however, warned that modifying a virus's DNA could lead to even more deadly strains. He proposed a slower, more natural approach to build herd immunity. The world watched with bated breath as the two engaged in a race against time, each trying to outpace the other. Olivia's team worked tirelessly in their state-of-the-art labs while Ethan's team ventured into the affected areas, studying the virus in its natural environment. In a twist of fate, just as Olivia announced a breakthrough in her genetic solution, Ethan simultaneously discovered that the virus had a natural predator, a microorganism that could neutralize it. Both solutions were deployed in different regions of the world. Olivia's method showed immediate success, but led to unforeseen side effects in the long run. Some individuals developed new illnesses. Ethan's approach was slower but proved sustainable over time. The world learned a hard lesson that day about the delicate balance of nature and human intervention. As the two scientists faced their successes and failures, a new respect grew between them, even as their rivalry continued. The evolution wars had only just begun.